Hey guys, I'm Vani back with yet another video. So I'm going to review Duo Pods by Mivi in this video. These are called Duo Pods M20. So let's get started. Well, here we have a hello card from Mivi, and these are the pods. Let's deal with that later. And we have a box here which contains, let's see what we have inside. A USB cable and a pair of extra earbuds. Alright, that's all we have. So let's get back to the pods. So this pod is pretty small and pocket friendly, which I didn't expect it to be, but I loved it. So the case has a charging port at the back, so you'll have to directly charge the pods through the case, and the handle is pretty flexible. And this is how the buds looks like. The logo lights up once you take the buds out of the case. I'm actually very impressed by the size of the case. It fits right in my palm. So now let's try connecting them. Well, I've already paired them before and they paired so fast. Take them out of the case and boom, they're connected already. Pretty fast, I must say. Well, let me show you the best part here. So I'm gonna play something now, and here I'm playing a song, and just in one tap it pauses. You see? Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can actually play, pause, and attend calls with one tap on either of the pods. See? Right there. Well, there is 1 second lag with the touch, but yeah, it's good. It works fine. Well, overall these pods are perfect. I know there are a bunch of other true wireless earpods in the market right now, but these Duo Pods M20 by Mivi are totally worth it at this price range. Also, they are splash resistant and has 4 hours long battery life. I've been using them too much ever since I got them. I present you the truly wireless Mivi Duo Pods M20. Thank you for watching.